come on, boys, ride. Let's see if Santa came.
All right, go. You be behind Cooper. Go. Walk. Come on. You don't want to see your present?
Find your pile.
Whoa. Found it.
Where's yours?
A gun? What the heck is this?
Oh, here. Right. This one's yours, right?
Mom, what the heck is this supposed to be?
Looks like a plane.
This is all your stuff.
Oh, I have a Ninja Turtle one. And I have now I have this.
Your own vacuum.
On my own vacuum.
You got your own vacuum and
arrow.
a bow and arrow.
What's that?
You got a bow and arrow. That is sweet. Awesome. You got a hockey stick.
Look at the ends.
Awesome,
I have a
guys.
place to make crystals.
Did you go pee?
You're going to make crystals.
Yeah.
You need to go out and go pee.
Cool. Hockey stick.
Hockey sticks.
Cool.
What is that?
Bugs are inside glass.
Oh, gross, Santa.
Look
That
at
was a movie. These are
Mom,
books.
look. Scorpion.
That's awesome. Coop, what are you getting over there? What? A skateboard? I think he probably got them for all of you guys to share.
Oh, everybody's sharing the skateboard. Let's see if you can ride it. Put it over here, off the carpet, over here.
I need to plug this in. What is that?
I don't know.
I think it's just for pretend.
Can you do it?
No, I can't.
What's
This, that, it doesn't work.
Try it when we go
It's
back.
not supposed to work. Remember, like Bella's?
Who you calling?
We got Lego Movie and How to Train Your Dragon 2.
These are awesome.
What is it, Coop?
Stickers.
Stickers.